Okay, today we're going to make Italian herb seasoning. Super simple, but super good. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is 10 tablespoons of dried oregano. Okay. And then we're going to do 5 tablespoons of basil leaves. And then we're going to do 5 tablespoons of dried parsley. And then we do 7.5 tablespoons of onion powder. Put that in there. And then we're going to do 4 tablespoons of garlic powder. And we do 5 teaspoons of coarse kosher salt. And then we'll do 5 tablespoons of crushed red pepper. Okay, and we'll mix them all together with this nifty metal whisk. Oh, mix it really good. Doesn't it look good already? I think it looks great. You just want to make sure it's mixed good. You can mix it again when you're getting ready to eat it. But this is great for when you're making spaghetti sauce or spaghetti dishes or any dishes that call for Italian herb seasoning. What's good is that you can make it how you want. If you want it with more red pepper, you can do that. If you want it more garlicky, you can do that. So this is it. But you know when you go to the restaurant and you get the fine dining restaurant and you get the bread with the olive oil, this is the type of seasoning they put on it. So you can do this at home. Some olive oil. I always inhale some of the seasoning, which isn't good. I forgot a spoon. So you drop some of this on there. And doesn't this look good? A thing of bread. So you mix this up a little bit. And that's what they bring you. Probably put too much seasoning in. We can fix that. This is what they bring you at the restaurant. I tell you, that too seasoning. And then you just eat it. Like that. Doesn't that look good? I think it looks great. Okay, thank you.